This is a Gourmet Stirrific hands-free auto stirrer. Let me flip it over here, show you what it looks like. This is it in the box. And what this does is it will sit on your kettle and it will stir for you. Now, I admit I'm a little skeptical, but I'm going to take you on the journey and show you step by step what I'm going to do, and you can be the judge yourself. Okay. So I have removed the product from the package, and this is what it ends up being. Your instruction manual, this is your battery, charger, the stirrer, and this rod that attaches the stirrer, and this is the apparatus that holds it on your kettle. This is fully adjustable, and I did charge it already, so I'm going to put it together, and then you can watch me cook with it. And welcome back. What I'm making is a very basic white sauce. And I have the stirrific inside the pot, and I have adjusted the sides to the sides of the pot. I melted my butter because I didn't want that all stirred up. So now I've added my flour, and we're going to get this going. The idea is this white sauce involves a lot of stirring, and I would rather not spend the time doing that if I could be doing something else. So I push the button on the top, and you can see it is stirring. So I want to let it blend for a few minutes, and then I will add the milk and see if it makes my white sauce lump-free. It seems to be holding onto the side of the kettle fine, and I'm going to just, oops, that's not going to work. I'm going to loosen it a bit because I want some of the flour that is around the edges stirred in. So I'll be right back when I add the milk. I am back, and you can see it's pretty much blended. And this white sauce is one that I use frequently, and you can use it with vegetables or meat and chipped beef, but it tends to get lumpy if you don't stir it constantly. And that is my test to see if I can make this not lumpy without stirring. So now I'm going to add the milk. I need 4 cups, and I've got 2, whoops. I am back, and what I'm making is a basic white sauce. I use a lot with vegetables. You can use it with meat for chipped beef. And I've got my butter and flour blended. I have not stirred it at all. And the stirrific is clamped on, holding tight. And now I'm going to begin adding my milk. I actually need 4 cups, and this is 2 cups that I'm putting in first. And normally, if I was doing this myself, I would put 2 cups in, stir for a while, then I would add the other 2 cups, and then I'd stir till it got thick. And it's a pretty long process. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll put my other 2 cups in, and I will let it stir, and I will show you my hopefully lump-free sauce in a little while. I'm going to have to say I am impressed. I set the stirrific, and I walked away for about 15 minutes. This is normally time that I would have had to spend stirring and stirring and stirring. I don't know if you can see, but the sauce is smooth, lump-free, and completely thickened. And I couldn't be more impressed. I will now continue this and finish our dinner, but I'm going to have to say this is a fabulous item. It saved me a lot of work, and I was able to do other things while it was doing its thing. Again, it's the Gourmet Stirrific.